Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Lungo Star and the Anypro. If you're looking for a compact washing solution for your apartment, RV, or dorm, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll dive into the specifications, features, and pros and cons of each model to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to wash capacity, the Lungo Star offers an 18 pounds capacity, which is slightly higher than the Anypro's 17.8 pounds. This means that the Lungo Star can handle a bit more laundry per cycle, making it a great option for those who need to wash larger loads. However, both machines are designed for compact living, so their capacities are suitable for small households or individuals. The Lungo Star is a semi-automatic machine, which means you have to manually switch between washing and spinning cycles. On the other hand, the Anypro is fully automatic, allowing for a more hands-off approach. This feature can be a significant advantage for those who prefer convenience and ease of use in their laundry routine. In terms of durability, the Anypro features a stainless steel drum, which is known for its longevity and resistance to rust. In contrast, the Lungo Star is made of plastic, which may not be as durable over time. If you're looking for a machine that will last longer and withstand frequent use, the Anypro might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Lungo Star and Anypro portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The Lungo Star is more budget-friendly and offers a slightly higher wash capacity, while the Anypro provides advanced features and a fully automatic experience. Consider your laundry needs and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.